Welcome to Nikkit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotic Solutions, where innovation meets precision. Today, we dive into our advanced robotic automation systems, specifically designed for the automotive industry. Our cutting-edge technology ensures seamless production of both right-hand and left-hand bumpers, with an impressive output of 80 bumpers per hour. But that's not all. Our automation solutions also include precision nut welding, achieving a remarkable throughput of over 100 units per hour. This ensures every component meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. By integrating Nikkit Engineers robotic automation, our clients experience a significant reduction in downtime, boosting overall productivity and efficiency. Our systems are engineered to maintain consistent performance, minimizing human error and maximizing output. With our state-of-the-art technology, we are setting new benchmarks in the industry. Nikkit Engineers is dedicated to delivering unparalleled solutions that drive success for our clients. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for more such engaging welding videos.